At Wendler Junior High in Anchorage, Alaska, I conducted my first science experiment. My 7th grade science teacher, Mr. Daniels, explained the scientific method by writing on the board: 1. Ask a question. 2. Do background research. 3. Construct a hypothesis. 4. Test with an experiment. 5. Analyze the results and draw a conclusion. And 6. Report the results. Mr. Daniels then drew a dashed line with an arrow pointing from step number 5 to step number 3. If your conclusion didn't match your hypothesis, he explained, squinting through his Buddy Holly glasses, you needed to go back and construct a new hypothesis. He showed us a picture of Gregor Mendel and told us the story of the gardening monk who patiently mated peas and tracked the traits of their pea offspring. We looked at pictures of purple and white flowering peas. They had wrinkled or smooth pods with green or yellow peas inside. We drew diagrams of the many offspring options, given their recessive and dominant traits. After peas, we graduated to the offspring options from different combinations of albino mice and spotted cows. The animal life I wanted most to understand, though, were the 7th graders of Wendler Junior High. I'd recently become aware of a caste system. Cool kids were on the very top, and smart kids were near the bottom. I wasn't sure in which genus I belonged. It was understood that you could not be both. In this particular science experiment, this constraint is what we call a known. The question of my coolness versus smartness wasn't simple, because on the one hand, I was in the special advanced math and English classes, played clarinet, and got a special recognition award in the city science fair for my experiment showing the effect of cigarette smoke on houseplants. On the other hand, I had some cool kid cred. I wore awesome jeans with yellow stitching on the back pockets, and I knew how to use the F word as a noun, verb, and adjective. Despite my ability up to that point to have a firm footing in both camps, it was clear to me that I had to choose: be cool or be smart. High school was soon approaching. The decision had to be made. So, like a good junior scientist, I completed the first steps of the scientific method. 1. Ask a question. Is it better to be a cool kid or a smart kid? 2. Do background research. The cool kids enjoyed upper caste privileges such as prime lunchroom seating, sexy slow dancing at the after-school functions, and bulletproof confidence.